the number of second language learners is way more than actual native speakers. And this is of course reflected online. So you're way more likely to hear non-native speech than native speech. So that's why in this video, we're going to always refer back to native speech when we can, and preferably older recordings, since we should expect those speakers to have less English influence than the speakers today. So, let's get into it. In Irish, like in English, we have 5 vowels. They're A, E, I, O, and U. Now sometimes vowels in Irish are marked with an accent called a fada.
Fada.
This means long in Irish. So they're also called long vowels. These vowels have consistent, unchanging sounds regardless of their position in a word, so they're good to learn first. A fada sounds like aw, like in the English word law. Here's some example Irish words.
Lár, mála,
Urlár.
I fada sounds like e, like in the English word see. Here's some example Irish words.
B,
báistí,
Buin.
E fada sounds like a, like in the English word say. Here's some example Irish words.
éan, iné, béal,
O fada sounds like oh, like in the English word show. Here's some example Irish words.
ól,
tone,
Murán.
And finally, U fada sounds like ooh, like the English word clue. And here's the Irish examples.
brúin,
menu,
Cúis.
If we were to look inside our mouth as we make some of these sounds, we might see something like this.
Tá.
téad.
bhfuil,
Use technology to start and scale your business. MMDC shows you how to be the most efficient entrepreneur you can be.
MMDC's Entrepreneurship Technology Program combines business strategies with technology to equip students with the tools needed to launch and grow their own tech businesses. Students will learn everything from building tech products to understanding e-commerce platforms. They also gain valuable business skills to help them scale their startup.